Now, again back with our matrices. In the last lecture we have seen basics of algebra of matrices. In that we have seen addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of matrices. Now today we will go see the problems on that. Transpose also we have seen. Now, see we will start with practice set 2.2. Few sums I do in that. Okay. Now, first sum. Practice set 2.2. A is equals to 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6 1. This is A. B is equals to minus 1 2, 2 2, 0 3. And C is equal to 4 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 1. Now we have to show two things over here. First thing is we want to show that A plus B is equals to B plus A, and second is A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Got it? Now one part I will tell you, other part you can easily do. Now the second part I will tell A plus B plus C. Means first we will solve a bracket A plus B. Okay. A plus B. Come. A plus B plus C को हम simplify करेंगे. A plus B डायरेक्ट अब मैं करती हूँ. 2 plus minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Minus 6 plus 0, minus 6. 1 plus A plus B हो गया है. Plus now we want to do C. C means this 4 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 1. Now this C. We will do this. 1 plus 4 5 minus 1 plus 3 2. 7 plus minus 1 that is 6, minus 2 plus 4 2, minus 6 plus minus 2, minus 8, 3 plus 1 4. Means this is the value you have got of A plus B plus C. Now similarly we want the value of A plus, I think it is A plus and B plus C is in the bracket, isn't it? Associative discount B plus C. A means this 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6 1, plus now B plus C. B plus C. C we will write here, that is 4 3 minus 1 4 minus 2 1. Now B plus C. Minus 1 plus 4 3. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus minus 1 1. 2 plus 4 6. 0 plus minus 2, that is minus 2. 3 plus 1. Now we will see whether it comes to this or not, because this was our previous answer. Now we will see whether this is also same or not. Okay. See, I will do it in the, yeah, I will write this part. This is the value of A plus B plus C is equals to 5 2 6 2 minus 8 4. Now we will see whether we will get the value of this also same or not. Now see. 2 plus 3 5 minus 3 plus 5 plus 1 6 minus 4 plus 6 2 minus 6 plus minus 2 minus 8 1 plus this. So we have got the values are same. Now next thing, we will see. This was a simple question. Now the first, that is A plus B, B plus C, you can find it out. Now the second question is little bit important. A is equals to 1 minus 2 5 3. B is equal to 1 minus 3 4 minus 7. These are the two matrices given. You want to find matrix A minus 2B plus 6i. अब I तो आपको सबको पता है, इट इज एन आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. अब ये बाकी 2/2 है, तो आपका I भी आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 2/2 ही होगा. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड A minus 2B. A means this 1 minus 2 5 minus 2 into B, that is the scalar multiplication. We have 1 minus 3 4 minus 7 plus 6 into I means identity matrix of order 2/2. वो होता है 1 0 0. Got it? Now I will draw this part and do it here. This 1 minus 2 5 3 minus स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स जो भी नंबर है उसको आप पूरे नंबर से अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 1 2 2 into minus 3 6 2 4 8 minus 14 प्लस अब यहाँ भी 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है 6 0 0 6. अब मैट्रिक्स में आप जिस ऑर्डर से आपको दिया गया है उसी ऑर्डर से जाना है. आप कहेंगे कि मैं इनको प्लस करूंगी फिर वो माइनस ऐसे मत करना. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वी विल सबट्रैक्ट दिस 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus minus 6, that is minus 2 plus 6 5 minus 8 minus 3 3 minus minus 14 3 plus 14 plus 6 0 0 6. Now it is the addition of two matrices. Now see, minus 1 plus 6 is 5, 4 plus 0 is 4, minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3, 17 plus 6 is 2. Got it? Now, next question. Same, up 3/3. A is equals to 1 2 minus 3 minus 3 7 minus 8 0 minus 6 1 and B is equal to 9 minus 1 2 minus 4 2 5 4 0 minus 3. This is what we have got as B. Now we want to find A plus B plus C is a zero matrix. If A plus B plus C is a zero matrix, then we want to find C. अगर A plus B plus any other matrix C is given to be a zero matrix. अब zero matrix means all the entries, all the column elements must be 0. So we want to find C. अब हमें C के बारे में कुछ भी पता नहीं है. Now see, what is given this C? A plus B plus C is equals to 0. So we want C. So हम ये इनको ले लेंगे, निगेटिव्स हो जाएंगे ये. Okay, now what we will do is equals to minus of A, negative of A, that is 1 2 minus 3 minus 3 7 minus 8 0 minus 6 1 minus B matrix 9 minus 1 2 minus 4 2 5 4 0 minus 3. Got it? Now पहले हम इसका नेगेटिव को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. What you will get here? All the positive will become negative and negative will become positive. 8 0 6 minus 1 minus, अब यहाँ माइनस ही रहने देंगे. 9 minus 1 2 minus 4 2 5 4 0 minus. Now directly you can subtract. What will you get? -1. I'll write answer here. -1 minus 9, it is -10. -2 minus -1, that is -1. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus -4, 7. -7 minus 2, -9. 8 minus 5 is 3. 0 minus 4 is -4. 6 minus 0 is 6. -1 minus -3. -1 plus 3 is 2. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now next sum. A is equals to 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5, minus 6, 0. B is equals to -1 minus 2, 4, 2, 1, 5, and C is equals to 2, 4, -1 minus 4, minus 3, 6. You have to find a matrix X such that 3A minus 4B plus 5X is equals to 0. First we will simplify this. See, 3A, we want to find matrix X. So we don't want this here. So what we will do? We'll keep this 5X here only. 5X will be equal to C के साथ ये -3A चला जाएगा प्लस 4B. फिलहाल हम 5X की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. Now 5X will be equal to C. C means this -3A. Okay, now C. So 5X will be equal to C. C is what? 2, 4, -1 minus 4, -3, 6, -3 into A. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 5, -6, 0. Plus 4 into B. That is -1 minus 2, 4, 2, 1, 5. This is what is the value of 5X. Now see. First. 2, 4, -1 minus 4. अब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 3 1 जा 3, -6, 3 3 जा 9, -15, -18, 0. Plus multiplying by 4. -4, -8, 16, 8, 4, 20. पहले सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. So I will drop this. 5X will be equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus 6 is 10. -1 minus 9 minus 10. -4 plus 11, 15, that is 11. -3 plus 18, 15. 6 minus 0 is 6. Plus 16, 8, 4, 20. Now, here again, 5X will be equal to, अब प्लस करेंगे इनको, -1 minus 4, that is -1. 10 minus 8, that is 2 we have got. Next, -10 plus 6 is 16 is 6. 11 plus 8 is 19. 15 plus 4 is also 19. 6 plus 20 is 26. So X will be equal to, आपको ये 5 यहाँ नहीं चाहिए, तो I will shift this into -5 to 6, 19, 20. आप चाहे तो ये 1/5 को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. That is -5/5, 2/5, 6/5, या ऐसे भी रखा, then also it will be correct. Next sum. Now 1 minus 4, 3, 2, 0. Now you have to find A transpose of transpose. Means transpose of A. You have to find transpose of A. First you will find A transpose. Now, what will be A transpose? Transpose means I have already told. Row will change into column. So this is my first row. So in my transpose it will become column. Okay. Now I want to find its transpose. A transpose. Now again this row will change into column. 1, 2, minus 4. Is it same? Both are same? Yes. So we can say that A transpose of transpose is equal to A. Done. Next. Same here. Now sum. I will just write. You have to do it at home. A is equals to 731 minus 2 minus 4 1 591. You have to find A transpose double transpose, that is transpose of A. This is what you have to find. Now next, as it is easy one, same type I am not going to explain it again. Now find A, B, C. If the given matrix, that is A, will let it as A, 1, 3 upon 5A, B minus 5 minus 7 minus 4C 0 is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric means what? We have that day only seen the definition of symmetric matrix. Come on. Just a square matrix is symmetric if Aij is equals to Aj. If Aij is equals to Aj. Okay. Now, first we will name the elements A11, A12, A13. A21, A22, A22. This is not compulsory, this is for your understanding. A31, A32. Now as it is given here, we know that it is symmetric means Aij is equals to Aj. तो अब आपको जो अननोन वेरिएबल्स है वो कौन से नंबर पे है, ये देखो A आपका A1, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस अगर मैं ये रूल यहाँ लगाऊंगा Aij is equals to Aj, so A13 will be equal to what? A31, and which is the element present at A1? So A. So what is the value of A? Got it? Now which is the second unknown variable? B कौन से इसमें है? A21. Again if I apply this, it will be A12. A12 means this element 3 pi. So what will be the value of B? 3 pi. Next, C is the another element C. C is equals to A32. But according to our definition of symmetric matrix, it will be A23, and which is the element present here is minus 7. So we have got the values of all the unknowns A, B and C. Next. Find X, Y and Z if A is equals to, now it is given 0 minus 5i x, y 0, z 3 by 2 minus root 2 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. अभी तक वो इससे पहले वाला जो मैट्रिक्स था वो सिमेट्रिक था. Symmetric means Aij is equals to Aj. Now we will switch on to skew symmetric. Aij minus AJI. Okay. Now same will apply here. What we will do? We will name the elements ताकि आपको easy जाए. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32. Okay. अब हमें x वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. x is present at A13 will be equal to minus A31, isn't it, according to our definition? So what is minus A31? 31 का element है 31. So what will be the value of x? It will be minus 3/2. Now second element is this y. It is present at A21, but in skew we have its minus. Which is the element present at A12, sorry, 1, 2 का element है minus 5y. इसका minus 5y will be this. Now the third unknown is z. Z is present here at A23. It is minus A32. A32 पे है minus root 2. Minus 2 plus. Got it? Now next. So you can do it very easily. Up. Construct a matrix A such that. अब पहले हम ले लेंगे for which of the following matrices find its transpose. सबसे पहले आपको transpose निकालना है and state whether it is symmetric, skew symmetric or neither. सबसे पहले हम transpose निकाल लेंगे. You know very well. अब first एक सम में करके बताते हैं. A is equals to 1, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 3, 4, minus 4, 9. Now we want to find A transpose. Come on, let's find out A transpose. 1, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 3, 4, minus 5, 4, 2. Is it same? हमने अगर इसका ट्रांसपोज भी निकाला तो भी आंसर क्या आया है हमारा सेम. That is A is equals to A transpose. Means what? It is a symmetric matrix. Got it? Similarly, आपको अगर A is equals to minus A transpose आता है तो it is skew symmetric. और ये दोनों में से कोई कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती तो इट इज नाइदर सिमेट्रिक नॉर स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. ओके. रिमेनिंग टू यू हैव टू डू एट होम. नेक्स्ट. कंस्ट्रक्ट अ मैट्रिक्स A is equals to Aij 3/2. Order is 3/2. Where Aij is equals to I minus j. सबसे पहले हम ये मैट्रिक्स तैयार कर लेंगे. सी A11 will be 1 minus 1 0. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट A12 that is I and J. लेकिन आपके हर एक एलिमेंट 1 minus 2 is minus 1. अब A13 1 minus 3 is minus 2. A21 2 minus 1 is 1. A22 2 minus 2 is 0. A23 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now A31 3 minus 1 2. A32 3 minus 2 is 1. A33 again 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we will construct A. Come on, start writing down these elements. 0 minus 1 minus 2. 1 0 minus 1 2 1 0. Now we want to find whether it is symmetric or skew symmetric. For that इसका ट्रांसपोज लेना पड़ेगा आपको. Now see here. We will take its transpose. A transpose will be equal to 0 minus 1 minus 2, 1 0 minus 1 2 1 0. अब A ट्रांसपोज और A में डिफरेंस कितना है माइनस का, टोटली इसको अगर हम निगेटिव करेंगे तो ये हमारा ए ट्रांसपोज मीन्स इट इज अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. गॉट इट? सो few sums we have seen. Okay, so other sums you can do at home also, या अगर आपको लगता है इसके देखो 11th 12th sums अगर आप नहीं कर पाओगे then I will do it in the next video. Okay.